Exfoliate 24 hours before waxing. Removes dead skin cells, allowing wax to grip hair better and reducing the risk of ingrown hairs. Ensure hair is the correct length. Hair should be 2-inch long, about the size of a grain of rice, to ensure the wax adheres properly. Avoid waxing on irritated or broken skin. Cuts, rashes, sunburns, or open wounds can lead to further irritation or infection. Gently cleanse the skin before waxing. Removes excess oil, sweat, and lotion that may prevent the wax from sticking properly. Dust, baby powder, or cornstarch over the area absorbs moisture and ensures the wax sticks to the hair, not the skin. Avoid alcohol and caffeine before waxing. These stimulants can increase skin sensitivity and make the process more painful. Choose the right wax type. Hard wax is best for sensitive areas like the bikini line since it sticks to hair, not skin, reducing discomfort. Warm the wax to the right temperature. It should be warm, but not hot to avoid burns and ensure smooth application. Perform a patch test on a small area first. Helps check for allergic reactions or excessive sensitivity before applying wax to a larger area. During waxing, technique matters. Apply wax in the direction of hair growth. Ensures the wax grabs the hair properly and minimizes breakage. Pull the wax strip against hair growth in one quick motion. This removes the hair from the root and prevents excessive pain. Hold the skin taut while removing wax. Reduces discomfort and lowers the risk of bruising or skin irritation. Don't go over the same area multiple times. Overwaxing can cause skin damage, burns, or sensitivity. Breathe deeply before pulling the wax off. Helps manage pain and makes the experience less stressful. Work in small sections. Waxing smaller areas at a time improves control and precision, making it less painful. Use tweezers for stray hairs. If a few hairs remain, pluck them instead of reapplying wax to avoid over-exfoliation. Avoid waxing the same spot repeatedly. Overwaxing can irritate the skin and cause redness or tiny abrasions. Aftercare, soothing and protecting your skin. Apply an anti-inflammatory product post-wax. Aloe vera gel or witch hazel helps reduce redness and calm the skin. Avoid tight clothing for 24 hours. Loose-fitting underwear prevents friction and lets your skin breathe. Skip hot showers, saunas, or workouts for 24 hours. Excess heat and sweat can lead to irritation or infection. Exfoliate gently 2-3 days after waxing. Helps prevent ingrown hairs by removing dead skin buildup. Moisturize daily. Hydrated skin helps maintain smoothness and reduces irritation. Stick to a consistent waxing schedule. Wax every 4-6 weeks to ensure hair grows back finer and waxing becomes less painful over time. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Don't forget to hit that like button if this video was helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more great content like this one.